Welcome back everyone. You may be having some sound issues on your Samsung TV, and this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing I would recommend looking at though is to actually go ahead and find out which specific issues you're having. Is the sound quality poor? Is the sound volume too low? If it's anything like that, the first thing I'd probably recommend doing is grab your Samsung remote and just try increasing and decreasing the volume. Some people may not even know this, but sometimes the remote may be faulty. So what you may have to do is go ahead and actually go to the TV itself, and you want to go ahead and manually increase and decrease the volume by clicking the buttons on the TV itself. As long as your TV has buttons, then you should be okay in this specific situation. Now, if that doesn't fix your issue, from what I've heard, another thing that some people actually recommend is to actually disable some of these Samsung apps that come pre-installed or come automatically installed on your Samsung TV. So what this looks like is if you have a certain, TV app that comes up and you're like, oh, I never use this. Well, what you can do is you can uninstall those applications, and sometimes those applications can actually go ahead and tinker around with your sound profiles. So here what you can do is go ahead and hover over any of those applications, and you just want to go ahead and delete those apps as well. Again, not a guarantee, but it's another thing you can actually do in this specific situation. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing you can do is to unplug your TV and plug it back in. That may end up fixing it as well. Now, if you have a smart TV of some sort, you may have to go ahead and factory reset your Samsung TV. So what this is going to do is it's pretty much just going to delete everything from your TV, and you can do this within your settings. So you want to make your way over to your settings of your Samsung TV. You want to go ahead and find the factory reset panel, and you want to go ahead and factory reset it. Now, like I mentioned, this is going to delete any profiles or anything that you have on your TV, but it's another option you have to pretty much fix this as well. So those are a couple different ways to fix your TV if for some reason you're having some sound issues. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.